Hello guys, my name is Shruti Vijayarao and my topic is drugs for breastfeeding. So we will discuss about it. So first, administration of drugs to women who are breastfeeding may have ill effects on the suckling infant and affect lactation. Estrogen and bromocriptine decrease milk production. Toxic effects on the infant are largely dependent on entry of the drug in milk pharmacologically in significant amounts. Then, in case of large number of drugs, the concentration in milk is low and the breastfed infant receives insufficient quantity to produce adverse effects. Then, maternal medications or breastfeeding should not be interfered in such cases. Then, we will discuss about the list of drugs whose amount in milk is too small to be harmful to the infant or those found to be safe in ordinary doses. So the drug list is acetazolamide, albendazole, benzyl benzoate, codeine, cephalosporin, erythromycin, gentamicin, heparin, ipratropium, methyl-dopa, nefopam, paracetamol, praziquantel, sucralfate, valproate, vitamins and warfarin. Then we will see about the drugs to be used with special precautions in breastfeeding women or drugs contraindicated. So first we will see the drugs which have adverse effects with special precautions. So first is ACE inhibitors. Amount in milk is small, magnitude of risk not known, watch for hypertension. Then allopurinol, secreted in milk, no data on risk to infant. Then anticonvulsants, monitor infant for side effects, beta blocker, amount is in milk generally small, bradycardia, hypotension, cyanosis. Then carbimazole, hypothyroidism, use lowest effective dose or suspend breastfeeding. Clonidine, sedation and hypotension. Diltiazem, significant amount of milk. Then isoniazid, nephropathy, convulsions, jaundice, give prophylactic pyridoxal. Then levodopa, no data on safety. Then morphine, usual doses unlikely to affect infant, lethargy, poor growth, withdrawal symptoms in infants of dependent mothers. Then we will see about contraindications. Amphetamines, significant amount of milk, anti-cancer drugs, anemia, diarrhea, immunosuppression. Ciprofloxacin, high concentration in milk, theoretical risk of arthropathy. Then cyclosporin, significant amount in milk, ergotamine, ergotism in the infant may suppress lactation, indomethacin, CNS effects, convulsions, ketoconazole, secreted in milk but harm to infant for not known. Then tetracycline, growth retardation, candidiasis, tooth discoloration. Then buspirone, avoid no information on risk to infant. Then caffeine, avoid regular consumption of large doses, amounts, irritability and CNS effects. Then lansoprazole, avoid unless essential, no data on safety. Montelukast, avoid, no data on risk to infant. Then norfloxacin, avoid, no information on the risk to infant. Oral contraceptions, avoid until 6 months after birth. Then vitamin A and D, avoid high doses, risks for hypervitaminosis. And zolpidem, avoid unless essential, amount in milk but watch for sedation in infant. So we will see about MCQs now. Which of the following is true regarding drugs and breastfeeding? A. All the drugs are safe to use while breastfeeding. B. Breastfeeding mothers should avoid all medications. Then option C. Some drugs can pass into breast milk and may affect the baby. Then D. Breastfeeding mothers can take any medication without concern for the baby's health. Then second question, what should breastfeeding mothers do before taking any medication? First, consult a pharmacist only. Then second, consult a healthcare professional knowledgeable about lactation and medication. Then trust online sources for medication safety information. And last, stop breastfeeding temporarily while taking medication. Then question number 3, which of the following factors affect the drugs of transfer of drugs into the breast milk? A. Only the mother's weight. B. The baby's age and weight. C. Only the mother's diet. And D. The mother's blood type. Then question number 4, True or false? Over-the-counter medications are always safe for breastfeeding mothers. Is it true or is it false? Then fifth, which is the best time for the breastfeeding mother to take medication to minimize the baby's exposure to drugs? A. Just before breastfeeding. B. During breastfeeding. C. Right after breastfeeding. Or D. Right before bedtime. The answers of these questions are given in this, so you may check it. Thank you for listening.